Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. If you're a Toyota Fortuner and Hilux owner or a DIY enthusiast, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Toyota Fortuner and Hilux from 2005 to 2015. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might be facing with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Toyota Fortuner and Hilux 2005 to 2015 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Toyota DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions, or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Toyota Fortuner and Hilux? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.